Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So here is a quick little video on how to replace a battery in the key fob of a Acura MDX key fob. So I think this works for about a 2014 through maybe a 20 with this style key fob that you can see right here. Okay, so the battery's a little dead in this one. If I hit the button, you can see it works. These take the CR 2032, which honestly is about what almost everything takes. So here's what you do. Here's how to do it, guys. So the first thing you're going to do is on the back. This is a little like a spring release. If you push it, it'll kind of pop back. You just push it, and then what it does is it pops out your little emergency key. Okay, that's your little emergency. So then, if you get the back here, what you want to do is you want to take a screwdriver, real gentle, and you want to get underneath this, give it a little twist. Now, you're going to have to twist a little bit, but you also want to do it gently till it kind of separates. See it separate right there? Then you may be able to just gently pop this apart. Now you may have to go down the side and give it a little extra help, but again, like I said, gently. It is plastic. So here you go. Now pop it apart. There's your battery. So you may notice your battery is going to have like a couple little holders here, okay, that are just holding the battery in place. And the positive is up, which has all the information. So what you want to do is pop that baby out. Okay, I just popped it straight out of the holder. I don't know if you can see it. I just pulled it right out of here. Notice it's positive up. Set this aside. Take your new one, pop it in, slide it in and under, and just push down. Boom, it's popped in. Take this back, put it right back on it, kind of gentle. Just give it a couple squeezes. Gently. Boom, boom. Make sure the sides, there's no gaps. No gaps. Stick your key back in there. Boom. Give it a tap, see if the light comes on. It did. There you go. 2014 to 2020 Acura MDX. This may work on some other Acuras. Thanks for watching.